Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file GST tax return. First, understand the goods and services tax system, which is crucial for compliance. Next, identify the correct return form for your business type. Before you begin, gather all necessary financial documents, such as invoices and bank statements. Finally, ensure your business is properly registered under the GST framework to avoid any issues. Now, let's prepare your information. You will need your unique goods and services tax identification number, or GSTIN. Collect all sales and purchase invoices, ensuring they are accurate and complete. Don't forget to include details of any input tax credit you plan to claim. Double-check all transaction data for 100% accuracy before proceeding to the next step. The actual filing process is straightforward. Begin by logging in to the official Goods and Services tax portal using your credentials. Once inside, navigate to the Services menu and select the Returns dashboard option. From there, choose the relevant financial period for which you are filing your return. Carefully fill in all the required details in the appropriate form. Finally, it's time to review and submit. Carefully examine all the data you have entered for any potential errors or omissions. If there is any outstanding tax liability, make sure to pay it promptly. Once everything is correct, submit your goods and services tax return electronically. Remember to download and save the acknowledgement receipt for your future records and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.